The Rand Weekly Wrap, 7 to 11 July 2025. The Rand ended the week on a steady note despite underlying volatility triggered by US tariff threats and shifting global risk sentiment. Here's how things shaped up from Monday to Friday. So the currency performance as of Friday, 5 o'clock, against the US dollar, the Rand traded between 1773 and 1795 and closed at approximately 1785, a 0.7% week on week weakening. Against the pound and against the euro, the movement mirrored the dollar trend, with the Rand losing ground midweek before stabilizing into the weekend. Against the euro, it ranged from 2071 to 2099, closing near 2098. So domestic highlights, markets were quiet on domestic news, but all eyes are now on mining output and retail sales data due this week, a critical gauge of economic health after tariff shocks. International drivers, the US tariff threats. Monday saw a sharp market reaction when President Trump announced an additional 10% tariff on BRICS nations and emailed letters imposing a 30% tariff, though South Africa got an extension to August 1st. The Rand initially dropped around 1%, then partly recovered as the deadline extension offered some breathing room. Commodity price impact. Emerging market currencies like the Rand took cues from precious metals and base metals prices. While worries persist, analysts suggest South Africa may benefit if metals rebound. So looking ahead, what to watch out for: mining output and retail sales, the US tariff deadline, and global commodity prices. So the final take, the Rand showed resilience in a volatile week, briefly shaken by trade threats, but recovering on diplomatic breathing room. With key economic data due and major tariff deadlines looming, expect the Rand to remain vigilant